Dear friends, welcome back. In this video, I'd like to continue Bandit series on the over-the-wire platform. The level I'm going to do will be level 20. Here is the descriptions for this level. To gain access to the next level, you should use the SetUID binary in the home directory. Execute it without arguments to find out how to use it. The password for this level can be found in the usual place under attack directory after you have used the SetUID binary. So I think this level has a lot to do with SetUID. And the UID bit is very important when we try to make lateral movement or privilege escalation. And because of such as the UID, set UID, the current user can run or execute this binary with the permission or privilege of the owner temporarily. And this is a very important technique for elevating privilege. Before we go ahead, however, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and leave thumbs up. As you know, this will help me with YouTube algorithm. So without further ado, let's just get started. We can head over to Linux VM. First of all, we need to SSH to the target. I'd like to autocomplete the command. As before, I specify the current username followed by the host name. And also, I explicitly specify the port number 1220. In this case, we have to explicitly specify the port number because this port number is not default one by SSH service. So now we can go ahead and hit enter on the keyboard. Alright, it's asking us to supply the password for the current user, Bandit 19. No problem. I have already made a copy to the clipboard. So we can paste password from clipboard and then hit enter again. As you can see, we are now in the target machine. We can press keys Ctrl, Shift, and L on the keyboard at the same time. Then we can clear screen to get a bigger space on the screen. And next, we can run command ls. And also, I'd like to use options A, which means all. So all hidden directories and files can be listed out as well along the normal directory and files. Okay, so and then I will use L option long list and H human readable size format. So this is more easier, sorry, not more easier to understand how big of this file. So we can hit enter. And I think it's not difficult to support this file because this file has background of red color. And you can check the permissions and the owner and the group information for this file. The owner is Bandit 20. And what we are going to do is to retrieve password for this name or for this user. And the group is Bandit 19. And here, this is the permissions for this file. And the first character hyphen here means this is not a directory like this one and this one. This is the file. And the first set of three characters specify the permission for the owner. Owner is Bandit 20, and the permission of the owner has read, write, and also SUID bit. Okay, and the second set or second group of permissions are, are for the group, the Bandit 19. And this group or Bandit 19 has read an executable permission, but any other guys doesn't have any permissions. So next we can run the file command to see what it's about. Bandit 20 do. And this is the SetUID ELF 32-bit executable. I think this is the executable for the Linux like exe for the Windows. Okay. So next we need to run this binary to see what it's about or how this binary is functioning. So we can, of course, we need to use this way to run this one because in most cases, this command is not in the path variable, in the path of the environment variable. Okay, so we can use the dot, which means the current directory, and slash bandit, and then we can execute this command or this binary. Here, give us usage or help for this binary. Run a command as another user. So for example, we can run command id, and this because this binary has SUID bit on, and then when the current user is Bandit 19, will get the privilege of the owner temporarily, and the owner is a Bandit 20. For example, if we run the id command, normally if we run the command id, this just gives us the information about the current user. Okay. However, if you run the command bandit 20 do and id, as you can see here, eid is bandit 20. So we temporarily get the privilege of the owner of this file. The owner is bandit 20. So I think up to this point, we have already know what this binary or this executable is about. So what is our goal? We need to retrieve the password, and the password for the next level will be located in under the attack and the bandit, bandit 20. Okay. Oh, sorry. I think we can use the ls command attack and bandit pass bandit 20. Okay, press enter. However, as you can see here, normally only bandit 20 can have read permission to this file. So, of course, at this point, we cannot access this file with the current user. If you copy this absolute path, which contains the password for the next level, and we can paste in here, as you can see, we will get the error of permission denied. So how to retrieve this file? We can utilize the SUID bit of this file. Okay, and we can run bandit 20 to do, and followed by the command cat attack bandit and bandit 20. Okay, so I think when we run or execute this command, will temporarily get the permission or privilege of the owner of this file, and the owner is the bandit 20, and the bandit 20 has access to this file. Okay, so now I think I've already explained it clearly, so we can hit enter. and we successfully retrieved the password for the next level. So I think that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in next one. Bye. Have a nice day, please.